Hey guys, T here. We're gonna celebrate Halloween. We're gonna make some tools that allow us to cut up a bunch of pumpkins and make them look scary. You know, jack-o'-lantern type. So, if you got an old piece of pipe like this in your tool shed or in your shop, sure you do. Let's use it up. So if you want to follow along and make the tools, great. You don't want to follow along? Great. I'm going to do it anyway. Happy Halloween. Well, we've cleaned out 3 pumpkins pretty well. And I want to put all this out for the squirrels and birds and raccoons or whoever wants it. Here's the tools we're going to build today. We're going to make them out of this 1/2-inch conduit, electrical conduit, and we're going to make 3 of them. We're going to make one that's like a stabber. You just stab it in and it creates a hole. And we're going to make one that has a rounded kind of slot, and you drag it like this, and you make a rounded line. This guy is more V-shaped. It also, you drag it and it makes a line, but it's a thinner line than this. And so that's what we're going to build, and let's get to it. So we just cut this one. Now we're going to do this one, or cut this one. Okay, let's cut this pointed one. So you have to sharpen the inside of the knife. So here's what we built. We built a stabber here where you can stab a bunch of holes in. We built two of these. Boy, these were tough. These will cut little slits, and then we built one of these. This will cut rounder slits. And of course, we got Mr. Serrated Knife. So let's cut them up. Okay, that's what I have to say about Halloween. Any of you guys have anything to say? You want to subscribe or not? Up to you. I'll see you next time when I'm in a little better humor.